Hello guys, welcome to the iTunes Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS we will work about how we can create a menu using HTML and CSS. We open our bracket, we have HTML and empty CSS. We open our live preview, but before we start working, I have installed a plugin on bracket. It's Emmet. Emmet is so helpful plugin for coding. To install this, we come to File, Extension Manager, and in here we type Emmet. Now we have added Emmet in here. Using Emmet is so easy for coding. To use Emmet, we come and type UL. We want to add one UL. Then in our UL, we want LI. LI 4 times. We want to add LI 4 times. Then in our LI, we want to add A. In our A, text should be Zaytun. Then we come here and use tab key. We have added this so easily. Now we want to add a style for this. To add a style for this, we come to our style.css. First of all, we don't want these bullets in here. Li last style type none. Now we don't this to be like this. We want this to be horizontally, not vertically. To do this, we simply add float right. Now they are in one line because we have added float for them. Now we add a weight for them. Then a height for them. A background color. Background color olive. We want them to be in the center, but now we want to make this white. To do this, we come and type Li A color white. Text decoration none. We don't want the underline. We want to make them center. To make them center, we only type text align center. Text align center. They are centered, but we want them to be centered horizontally too. We have learned this in the previous lesson of CSS. We add line height. Line height should be equal to height 50 px. Now they are now it's in the center. We want to add another style in here. We want to make Li cover. Background color should be black. Now if we hover on them, they will be black. Now we want to add another menu in here. to add the menu, we come in here, we copy this, and then we add it in this. We save this. We have menu like this, but we want to add some styling. For this, it should be different from this one. We come here and use CSS selector, li, then li. We have we say into our CSS that we have an li, then we have an li inside this. We want to style this one. We come to our CSS, we add a background for this, background color red. We want this should be red, but we want to add another style for this. If we hover on this, the color should be changed. To do this, li hover, background color chocolate. Now if we hover on this, the color should be changed to chocolate, but we want this menu should not be shown as we want. It should be only visible if we hover on this. To do this, we come and add another CSS code in here, li, then ul. We have an li, then we have liul. We want this ul should not be shown. In here we type display none, display none. But if we hover on this, it will not shown as we expect. Now in here we want to make this be shown if we hover the mouse. To do this, we come and type li hover ul. We have opposite of none, block, display block. Now if we hover our mouse on this, it will show our menu. Then we want to add another menu in here. If we hover the mouse on this, it should open another menu. To do this, we come in here and we have I want to copy this. Then in this we come and paste. Now we change the text to nav2. Now if we hover the mouse on this, we will have all, but we want this one should be if we hover the mouse in here, it should be open in here. To do this, we come to our CSS. Then so easy, we come and type li, we have this and the number 3, li, then we add a margin for this, margin right should be equal to our weight. We have this in here, but we want to make it we want to change the position upper. To do this, we come and add the margin top. Margin top, it should be in here. If we add 50, because the height is 50, it will be in here, but we want to make it to go upper. To do this, we add mino 50 px. In here we need one in here, but we want this should not be take effect, or if we hover this, it should be shown in here. To do this, we only need to add this in here. Now if we hover on this, it will be shown for us. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a